So we're catching Jude doing Tesla tires. So somebody on TikTok was complaining about, well, actually not complaining. Well, he was complaining that we never show the finished video. But how about when girls pretend to take their panties off or their bras or their bathing suits and they shake in front of you? That's the same bullcrap. Good. Lubrication.
Yeah, no, I'm not even ready for that. You're just getting beat. I need to find a spray.
Nothing special about you getting robbed at Tesla. That's for sure. No reason you can't go to Meineke and get your brakes done, or especially my shop. Ball joint struts, sway bar links, rack and pinion, anything. This is just a regular car. It's a regular car when it comes to suspension and drivetrain. Nothing fancy. Stop getting robbed at Tesla. $1,800. My brother got a quote for 4 tires at Tesla.